In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a page into a database in Notion. If you've ever started with a bunch of individual pages and later realized you'd get more power from a database, things like sorting, filtering, and multiple views, this workflow is for you. We'll use the drag and drop method, which is the fastest and cleanest way to transform existing pages into database entries without losing your content. First, create your database. In a blank spot on your page, type the /command/database and choose the format that fits how you like to work: table, list, or another view. Table gives you columns right away for properties like status or tags. List keeps things simple and minimal. Don't worry too much about the choice here. They're just different ways of looking at the same underlying database, and you can add or switch views later. Give your database a clear name so you'll recognize it at a glance, and make sure it's visible on the screen where you plan to drop your pages. Next, select the pages you want to convert. These might be standalone notes, project pages, or anything you've already created. In the sidebar or within a page, hover over each page title until you see the 6-dot handle appear to the left. If you're moving more than one, select them in sequence so they stay together. The key is to grab them from the handle, which tells Notion you're moving the whole page rather than just copying text. Now drag and drop. Click and hold the 6-dot icon. Then drag your selection directly into the database block you created. As you hover over the database, you should see a highlight indicating where those entries will land. Release the mouse to drop. If you notice that Notion isn't highlighting the database, reposition your cursor until it does. Dropping outside the database will place the pages as regular blocks, which isn't what we want. Once you drop them in, your pages instantly become rows in the database. Each row is still a full Notion page you can open, and all the original content inside those pages remains intact. You can confirm by clicking into any new entry to see your text, images, and subblocks just as you left them, now enhanced by database features like properties and views whenever you're ready to use them. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production, we read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.